Hello everyone, I am Ashley from Shenlan Digital. I will explain to everyone separately how to open the box, connection and installation. First, check if the wooden box is damaged. Second, unscrew on the cover. Remove the cover first. Then unscrew. Disassemble other plank. Check the film. Put the machine on the table. Beside, remove the film. Check the appearance. Open the back cover. Take out the accessories. First, open the front cover. Check if the printing trolley is locked. Unlock first. Step 2. Remove the fixed card holder. Use a 3mm hexagonal socket to unscrew the socket screw. Check if the trolley can slide left and right. Check if the printing station can slide back and forth. First, go to the back of the right side. Insert the power cord into the power port. Connect the power supply to the output port of the voltage regulator. Connect the USB cable to the USB 3.0 port of the computer. Insert the software USB flash drive. Plug in the Mengtai software encryption dongle. Second, turn on the main power supply. Power on by pressing the power button. Printer performs self-check. Open the USB stick in the computer. Copy the files on the USB stick to another drive. You can save it in a folder here. For example, Shenlan. Unzip the copied file to the current directory. Open the extracted folder. Then open the 7th folder, Remote Software. Extract the file as well. Double-click to run. Take a screenshot or take a photo of the pop-up interface, or copy the code and send it to the after-sales technician. Perform remote software installation. First, turn off the machine power. Unplug the main power cord of the printer. Come to the back. Connect the inkpot alarm power supply according to the label. The interface corresponds to the identification of the inkpot. Check if the circuit is securely plugged in. Second, take out the ink. Shake evenly before adding ink. White ink can hold 2 unopened bottles. Bottom collision and even shaking. Add corresponding ink according to the ink pot label. White ink W. Black ink K. Cyan ink C. Magenta ink M. Yellow ink Y. Royal blue ink B. Green ink G. Big red ink R. Orange ink O. Step 3. Ink bag extraction. Remove the toilet cover. Remove the screws on both sides. Remove the lid. Place a tissue around the nozzle. Prevent ink from splashing onto the nozzle. Take out the ink bag and connect it to the ink tube. Open the current limiting clip, holding ink bags on both sides. Extract the ink bag with a syringe. The ink bag should be vertically upward. Just draw the ink to the edge. Insert the ink bag into the nozzle. The nozzles inside are white ink without any order. The installation method for other ink sacs is the same. Sort other ink sacs as shown in the diagram. Restore the toilet cover. Turn back the screw.